Hey guys, I got this motorbike. It's real cool. Let's take a ride. When I was 6 years old, I used to use Vector. And you should go check out my channel and you see the old Vector video. And I'll be having this motorbike in my real house, and now feel real dirty in this house. This house will be real dirty if I had muddy motorbike coming in the house. But basically, this motorbike have a nice muffler. Look at it. See it? What's that muffler? It's looking like a beehive. Look at it. See it? See it right here? Looking like thing where bugs is sit on. Well, let's give it a spin, but can't drive right because it's not unstable. But bye guys.